In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use all range atomic in Sakura stand and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, when you acquire Sid through the banner, the Shadow Garden, one of the abilities that he has is going to be I am atomic. Now, some people are curious if it is still possible to use all range atomic. Well, all range atomic was actually removed by the devs a while ago, and it seems to be still removed. So the thing about all range atomic is that even as of today, after months, it is still removed and you will not be able to use it in Sakura stand. So unfortunately, you will not be able to do all range atomic in Sakura stand. The only option you have is to press G to use the standard I am atomic, but all range atomic, which would nuke the whole map, is not currently included, and as it stands today, unless the devs add it back, you will not be able to do it in Sakura stand. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using all range atomic and how it is still removed from the game. The devs are supposedly testing this and adding it slowly, but as it stands today, during the time that I'm recording this video, all range atomic is not currently in Sakura stand. If you get Sid and you press G, you will be able to do the standard I am atomic. You will see the effect go off. It is going to do a lot of damage and basically one-shot anything that is not a boss with more than 450 damage, but like I said, all range atomic was indeed removed from Sakura stand, so unless they add it back, you will not be able to do it currently. The cooldown is going to be 10 minutes between each I am atomic, and this cooldown will reset when you die, so keep that in mind, but all range atomic is not in the game currently. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to use all range atomic in Sakura stand, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.